The Valentine week has ended. Let's understand what homeopathy has to offer in current situations. Now in clinic you would find two kind of scenarios: the person who already have been breakup and is remembering all the past things, जिसका ब्रेकअप हो चुका है and unable to move on and thinking about all the past memories and become very sentimental. Second scenario, where the patient has recently break up, where she or he has put everything in relationship and still there is a heartbreak. Now let's understand these two remedies and these two scenarios. फर्स्ट केस, अब जिसका ब्रेकअप हो चुका है एंड मूव ऑन नहीं हो रहा, वेर द पर्सन हैज बिकम सो मच सेंटिमेंटल, नॉस्टैल्जिक, सेंटिमेंटल मूड इन द मूनलाइट, especially aesthetic love, bad effects of disappointed affection. The patient finds the world around him so disappointing that simply shuts it down and conjures an illusionary ideal world that he starts living in. He longs for that which he misses or been disappointed by. He becomes nostalgic and longs for the past, for his native land, for the ideal woman, the woman of his dreams. He becomes poetic and sentimental. अकेले बैठ के शेरो शायरी करना, तुम होती तो क्या होता, तुम होती तो ऐसा होता, etc. etc. And the Dr. Pathak mentioned in his Materia Medica, so busy with oneself that one forgets to urinate or defecate, eats only when asked. Nervous, hysterical women and girls who are overcome by mellow light or stained glass windows. In such cases, think of Antim Crude. When you prescribe Antim Crude, the patient will get relief and heal from the past traumas. You will see these cases 100% in your clinic. Now the second scenario. The main feeling of this person is the relationship she or he seeks is not one of the dependence like calcarea or the magnesium, but of friendship, of romance or relationship on one-to-one basis. जिसके साथ उसका relationship था, उसके लिए वो सब कुछ था. They put everything in the relationship and there is a heartbreak. The betrayal that she feels is a betrayal of her trust or the faith. She has fear of being emotionally hurt or disappointed and hence is reserved, unapproachable. She believes that there is something wrong with her. The reason of the breakup is she herself. They care a lot about structures, the little details, the timings, the relationship date when they met, the day, the the places they have visited, and now the person has become hateful, the person who offended him or her, and dwells on the past unpleasant memories. There is lot of anxiety, consolation aggravates, wants to be alone to cry, and the remedy is Natrum-Mur. Think of these two remedies, Antim Crude and Natrum-Mur, and prescribe them and see the result. And if you want such more insightful and clinical videos and understanding homeopathy, then comment yes in the comment section and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.